The unlimited power of faith in your restoration to health. John chapter 11, 1 to 44. Jesus was invited by Mary and Martha to come and heal their brother Lazarus, whom Jesus Christ loved, who was sick. Jesus couldn't make it. When he came there after 4 days, Lazarus had been dead for 4 days, had been in the grave for 4 days, was decomposing because he had been dead for 4 days. When Jesus Christ got them, Martha said to him, Lord, if you had been here earlier, if you had hearkened and came when we called you, you could have stopped our brother from dying. But now I know, whatever you shall ask of God, God will do for you. Jesus said to her, your brother shall rise again. She said, yes, he will rise again at the resurrection morning, the last day. Jesus said to her, I am the resurrection and the life. What you are expecting to happen in the next 2,000 years, I have come to make happen right now. Listen, there is nothing you are asking God for to do. What can happen in the next 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, or 1,000 years that God cannot do now? God has power to do now what you are thinking he will do when maybe Christ returns. Listen, when Christ returns, the dead shall rise. Now, the dead will rise. When Christ returns, the decayed bodies will be given brand new bodies. Now, every decaying part can be restored to life now. Whatever Christ can do when the trumpet sounds and returns can happen now. Jesus is not time constrained. He says all power in heaven and earth has been given to him. Why? To do whatever can be done in heaven or earth now. Listen, Jesus said, I am the resurrection and the life. If anyone believes in me, even though he's dead, he will live again. And whoever believes in me and is alive and has not died will live forever, will not die again. The question is, do you believe that? Martha said, yes, I believe. I believe you are the Christ, the Son of God who is to come into the world. You are the Messiah. You are the anointed one. Jesus said, where is he? They say he has been in the grave. He said, where is the grave? Martha said, there's no point going there because at this time, he's thinking because he has been in the grave for 4 days. Christ said, did I not say to you, if only you believe, you will see the glory of God. Faith terminates every shame of man. Faith stops every work of the devil. The victory that conquers the world is our faith. If you can believe, all things are possible. To him who believes, anything is possible. Jesus said, if only you will believe, you will see the glory of God. There is unlimited power available in and through faith that will terminate every sickness, every disease, that will stop even death, that can bring back the dead back to life, that can restore glory to those who have been dead, smelling, life dead, destiny dead, purpose dead. Man, everything about you is dead and stinkingly smelling. There is power in faith to restore life to whatever is dead. Jesus came to that grave, said, remove the stone. There's a stone of unbelief that must go. Take unbelief away. Take doubt away. Take worrying away. Take fear away. Whatever hinders the power of God is to be taken away. Take away the stone. They did so, and Christ looked up and said, you Lazarus, come forth. And he that was dead came forth. 3 words. He sent his word and healed them. The words Christ spoke brought about healing, brought about life, brought about restoration. At the same time, the man who had been dead and buried 4 days, decomposing, became normal. God spoke to Adam, dust on the ground, put his life breath into dead sand. Adam became a living soul. Christ spoke the same words into Lazarus. Lazarus became a living soul. Now I speak into your body. Whatever is dead or dying, every form of cancer, kidney failure, be delivered, be healed, be restored now. Every sickness in you, I command to disappear. I bind every devil. I destroy every hold of the wicked in the name of Jesus Christ. Whatever is happening in your life that God has not uttered comes to an end right now. By the power of his resurrection, I command your total restoration right now. Be restored in your brain, be restored in your mind. Let your eyes be restored. Let your ears be your ears are restored. Hear again, speak again. May you rise and walk again. Whatever is being destroyed in you by the devil is hereby declared restored to life. You are free in Jesus' mighty name. By the power of faith that makes all things possible, I decree that which the devil has done is ended. By the power of God, you are restored in the name of Jesus Christ. If only you believe, that's the key, you will see the glory of God. Jesus believed for them. Martha said, I believe. And the two faith coming into alignment provoked this miracle. I know you believe God can heal you. I believe God will heal you. And so, two of us in agreement, we have enforced your freedom. I decree you are healed. Be free from now and live and not die in the name of Jesus Christ. Believe God with me that there is unlimited power in your faith to restore your health. It does not matter what you are suffering or what is happening. That is over. Be healed and be free. In Jesus' mighty name. Peace.